Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are doing one activity, some magic word. First magic word is
Thank you.
second magic word is
Sorry.
third magic word is
Excuse me.
and fourth magic word is
Welcome.
very good. Now Andrea say
This is magic word. Thank you. This magic word is sorry. This magic word is excuse me. This magic word is welcome.
very good. Now we are singing a song and you have to reply this answer. Okay? When someone hurt you, when someone hurt you, what will you say? What will you say?
I am saying sorry. I am saying sorry.
That's what I say. That's what I say. When you get something, what will you say? What will you say?
I will say thank you. I will say thank you.
That's what I say. That's what I say. When someone is sneezing, what will you say? What will you say? I will say. That what I say. That what I say. When someone say thank you, what will you say? What will you say? I will say that's what I say. That's what I say. Now again you have to reply this song answer. Okay? When get you something, what will you say? What will you say? That's what I say. When you hurt someone, what will you say? That's what I say. That's what I say. When someone is sneezing, what will you say? What will you say? That's what I say. When someone say thank you,